Sagar Chaple has started investing in equity funds through SIP 3 years back. So should he worry about the market crash and move to a debt fund, or use this as an opportunity to invest more if the market crashes?
One is that worrying about it won't help. If he was worrying about it a year ago, then he would have been gone out. He would have gone out of equity and moved into fixed income, because even for last 18 months, everybody has been thinking about it. And everybody is worrying about it. That everybody is expecting that why the market is going up, but the market is going up, and the people who worried and acted, they have missed on one of the special opportunity provided by equities in a long period of time, and in a very unexpected manner. So you can worry, but it won't help. Two things will help. One is that stay put. If you are not going to need this money for next 10 years, 15 years, you don't have to worry, because worrying about it won't help. Because you have invested only for the last 3 years, your accumulation is yet to happen. Carry on with your plan, don't worry. There will be a crash, but how does it matter? Because it is very difficult to time it. If you try to time it, there is a possibility of missing the way one would have missed in the last 1 year. Because this can carry on for another 6 months. This can carry on for another 2 years. If there will be a crash, you don't know when it will really bounce back. Will the crash will be just for a month, as it happened in March 2020. So worrying about it will only drive you to take action, which is absolutely baseless. I think what you should worry about is about the things that you can manage. You know very well that how long this money is not required. You know that how you can be, you will continue to invest. If that is, and then you should devise some kind of, methodical formula. When your accumulation is large, you are investing for the last 3 years, and you don't have anything meaningful accumulated so far. I'm not saying meaningful, it could be meaningful, but what I'm saying is that these are early years of your investment phase, of your investment phase of your life, the accumulation phase of your life. So worry about it once it becomes something meaningful. After you have done it for 10 years, it becomes a large amount of money. Devise an asset allocation fund, a plan that you will have 25% into fixed income always. And anytime this 25% goes out of whack by 5%, your 25% gets reduced to 5%, 20% in fixed income. You will move your money, a small part of your money, to from equity to fixed income. Likewise, equity goes up from 75 to 80, 85. You will move your money from equity to fixed income, and vice versa. So you will rebalance it. You will do an asset allocation, you will rebalance it, but you let it accumulate, and till that time do nothing.